Hey guys, it's Clary, and today I'll be letting you know how to spawn items on a Hytale server. Firstly, all you have to do is head over to your Server.pro control panel and then head into Hytale Server. Then make sure you make yourself creative mode in the console. You can do this by using the command /game mode creative and then the player name. After pressing enter, the specified player will switch to creative mode. Up next, all you have to do is head into your game and then into your server. Once you're in, press the tab key. That will make the creative inventory menu pop up. All you have to do is use the search bar in the top right corner to find specific items. To add items to your inventory, all you have to do is locate the item in the creative inventory, then drag it into your inventory slots. The item will now be available for use in game. Alternatively, you can also spawn items using commands. For example, you can use the following command format: /give player name, then item name, then -- quantity, and then the item amount. For example, this command should give me 5 iron ores. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you want to play more multiplayer games with your friends, you can go ahead and check out Server.pro.